Morning guys, what's up? Hope you're having a good day. For the last night, or like just this morning and everything else as well, I finally got my renders back from DIJ Photo. Now, if you guys don't know him on Instagram, he has been like making me these incredible vectors of my car, and I'll quickly show you now. They look so impressive. So this is basically like a render of the R33 with like a transparent background. It's so wicked. And then he also did the Falcon as well. Like, it's so cool. Like, this looks so wicked. So anyway, I have been designing merch. If you guys can see, like the Falcon here, it's like a sticker as well. I haven't completely finished that one yet. This one here is coming up super well. It's like a neon sign, like a 90s themed sort of brekkie roll slap sticker, which is awesome. Good old Joe Exotic rocking my fresh new shirt as well, just because of Carol Baskin. No, in all seriousness, guys, this right here is super sick. If I just quickly put a new layer on the top, and then I go through and make the background black like it's gonna be on a shirt. There you go. Looks so sick. And so yeah, basically that's like the R33 vector with the cherry blossom tree and Mount Fuji in the background, just because of the amazing trip that I went on. These would be like the logos on the front of the shirt. And then also here's the final one with the Falcon. I hope a lot of you guys are gonna really like this one here. This one here looks so sick. Just gonna quickly do that, and then yes, that's what it'll look like on a shirt. I kind of did it like to remind myself of that amazing trip that I did down to Victoria and stayed at Mount Panorama for a few nights, and it's just a nice little sunset photo with the Falcon as well. And the Falcon vector looks so crazy. Like, if I zoom in to the wheels, check out the detail he put into those grids right there. God damn. Nah, it looks absolutely awesome. He did such a great job. So hopefully the merch will be coming very, very soon. It's gonna have 2 slap stickers and 2 shirts, which is gonna be sick. So yeah, hopefully we should be able to get them out pretty soon so you guys can cop it. And I'm also going to try and get some jumpers out just in time for winter too. So yeah, we've completely sold out of the original ZB hoodies, which is awesome. I think we have 1 XL left, but that's also for a mate of mine. So yeah, anyway guys, we're going to head out in the 33 today. We're going to go get some lines for Max's ute, mainly just water lines for the heat exchanger. So we're going to take out the brekkie roll and go maybe fill it up if it needs it. So yeah. How are we looking over here, mate?
Noses for this. I want to remodify that so it actually points straight up to that.
Yeah, we'll do that. That'll be pretty easy instead of buying a fitting. That's easy, that's nothing. Yeah, so today we're going to wire in the water pump. We're also going to pretty much route all the coolant lines for the heat exchanger. Wash these 2 cars ready for my birthday tomorrow. Are you keen, Maxie?
Yeah, you're the big 22, aren't you?
Big 22, mate. Oof.
Yeah.
Right, so mate, it's super cheap. We ended up getting the spark plug, but they didn't have any. What do you need? 24mm hose.
25.4mm.
25.4mm hose. So we're gonna go, yeah, so we're just gonna go to Repco now, take the brekkie roll. We're almost out of fuel. Nah, we'll be right.
That's a you issue.
Ooh, better wait for that guy there too. Sounds good, eh? So for the past couple of days I've been losing literally so much time just doing like the social media side and ZB socials and all that sort of stuff. It's been mental, getting the R33 back and everything. I have not had a chance to wash my cars. Tomorrow's my 22nd and I really want to have both my cars looking smick because I do want to take out the R33 tomorrow, and I don't know, maybe we might go get some pizza in the Falcon. I don't know, just like when I have nice clean cars, I feel like I'm just like, it's not just a drive, it's like an outing now, which is really nice. So yeah, anyway, the Skyline hasn't been washed in about a month. It's been sitting out in Black Butt, collecting just dust and then being rained on, and then had more dust on top of it. So literally everything just looks appalling. And the Falcon, unfortunately, had to come back home. One night we had to leave after like 6 p.m. and it's had these bugs all over the front of it once again, and it's just looking appalling. So today, get both these cars cleaned up, so that way tomorrow, I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. We're just going to do something. I don't know, might take the Skyline out for a drive. Yeah, I don't know, we'll have fun. So while I've been washing my car, Max has been going ham on this supercharger build. How close is that bloody alternator to the fan there?
Really close.
Really close?
It's a snug fit. It's a snug fit. I don't know somehow get it in there.
Yeah, so yeah, Max has been going crazy with that. And once I'm finished both the cars, I'll go in and wire in his water pump. Falcon's looking nice and clean. Once again, finally finished it off with some tire shine. The interior is looking all nice and fresh, ready to go for tomorrow. I'm kind of thinking I might ask Sarah for a Taco Bell for lunch, so I might head off and go do that. Things just looking mint. So now I'm gonna quickly swap it out with the Skyline, and then we'll keep going. I feel so bad. Max was just trying to get the radiator in and he was holding it, so I quickly took off this bracket so we can move the radiator back more. And I literally, he got his fingers caught on this beam here underneath the radiator, and I literally sliced open like 8 of his fingers.
Not sliced open, but crushed 8.
Crushed 8 of them, so I'm sorry, man. It's such a weird design though. Like the alternator sits like that, and it's basically right up against the fan. So hopefully that's not too big of an issue. I mean, it does have a lot of these these aren't the actual fans. It's kind of like a guard in a way. So it's literally resting on the guard, but apparently that's the way that they are. So yeah, oh well, we'll bolt it up, see how we go. Like it's all fitted now, so. Brekkie roll's looking all nice and clean. Finally, it's home with a working engine, all white wheels, decent interior. Now all I gotta do is just basically give her a vacuum, do some glass, and then it'll be enough to sort of make it look presentable for tomorrow, so me and Sarah can go out for a bit of a drive. One thing I try to do, especially with my cars, is I just try and keep them clean and basically just make them look as nice as possible, because I kind of have this theory that if you have a nice clean car, that cops stay away from you, and cops have, like with that Falcon, have pulled up as servos behind me and said that looks really nice. And yeah, so I really appreciate what they do. And so having a nice clean car, I think just, you know, makes them think a little bit differently about how you look at cars. So yeah. All right, we're gonna finish up the rest of this car and I'll catch it with you guys once we're done. There you have it, guys. Brekkie roll's all sorted. Got some tire shine on it as well. Actually comes up super nice. I love the 255s in this thing. I actually chirped them the other day. I wasn't trying to, but it's amazing it can actually spin 255s in some way. The interior is looking just insane. Absolutely love it. And one thing you guys actually brought it to me before, the stickers on the back side of the seat. I'll see if I can give you guys a better angle. There guys, you can kind of see like the stickers on the back of the seat there. I was told that you should never run another man's stickers. And a few of you guys were actually keen to send me some slap stickers, which I could put on the back of that seat if I was to peel those all off. So let me know in the comments down there if you guys reckon that'd be a sick idea. Yeah, you guys just literally just send me stickers that you want me to put on the seat and I'll just chuck them on. So yeah, I know a few of you guys had the idea and I'd be keen. Yeah. Starter motor went again. God damn it. So typical ZacBaldy fashion, the car works for about a day and my starter motor just went again. So I did have it on the dyno a few days ago. We did completely recondition the starter, but it just went once again, which sucks. So unfortunately, we're going to try jump start it again. So that way, hopefully it might work. But I highly doubt it, because the other day we completely had to take it out, rebuild it, and do everything. The worst thing is the Skyline is in the middle of my driveway. So see if we can get it running. I'm just gonna bash it a couple of times and hook it up to the jump starter. See how we go. Right, so we just pushed start the car. So she's all good. Damn it, this thing. Oh. I just got it working. Well, we'll be able to move it around at least, which is good. It's just, yeah. Alrighty, new starter motor time. That's okay, we can do it. If the Lap boys can, so can I. Probably not, but maybe.
I was like, oh,
well, yeah, I'm glad we got it going. So, what we're gonna have to do now, new starter for the R33, to try and find one ASAP, someone that's in good nick. I think I'll actually try and rebuild it like what we did at Lap Labs. I was watching a fair bit of what they were doing, so hopefully I might be able to try and rebuild another starter, as long as it's got good brushes and everything. Stupid car. Ugh, brekkie roll. Today you got the STD33. Today you're not the brekkie roll. Screw you. Nah, she's alright. You know the best thing is, well, for Sarah, she doesn't have to come in this car tomorrow.
Why?
Because you can't start it now.
Just get her to push it.
At her auntie's place with the new car.
Yeah.
I'm sure she'll love it. So the plan was to wire up the turbo looking thingy down there today. Basically that has to go into an accessories port. The only thing is I don't know how much amperage that draws, and because it is a very big fundamental sort of part for cooling the heat exchanger and then also the supercharger, I didn't exactly want to just tap it into anything at the moment. I'm going to quickly research it tonight, and then that way I can actually tap it into something that has a high enough amperage to actually do that. And yeah, now I have no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. Originally I was going to take Sarah out for a drive in that, but I don't think I will be able to at the moment. I was actually going to service that thing in the morning and completely bleed the coolant system and do everything. Now I can also not do that either. So what I'm going to do, or what the original plan was for you guys to see actually on my birthday day, was to go out and do a burnout in this at James Nolan's house. And yeah, at the moment, his neighbor currently doesn't like him too much. He already did one. He broke both of his cars. And yeah, so it sucks. James is an absolute wicked bloke. So we're actually going to go down. I did promise you guys, if you got $1,000, I would rip a mad skid in the Falcon. That is still on the cards. I just have to find someone to do it. I'm not one to do it in like an industrial spot or do anything weird like that, because I don't want to get in trouble and my car will be all over the internet. So yeah, I'm going to do it at his house, and that way you guys will see a mad burnout in this thing. I'm going to try and source a starter motor for the Skyline, whether I can get one at Repco or something tomorrow, possibly. That way we can change out the starter motor tomorrow night before the live stream. Yeah, I don't know, we'll get something sorted. The poor old, it's not, as I said, it's not the brekkie roll today, it's the STD33. Do you want some help?
No, I'm
You're all good?
Yes.
Alrighty, no worries, man. So yeah, me and Sarah will take Belle tomorrow. It'll be a nice drive, now that it's all nice and clean. I love this car so much. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna try and get a Skyline tomorrow. I'm tired. I've been cleaning the cars all day. I just wanted to have a nice birthday with both my cars, but no, they're not gonna work. So I want to see if I can source a starter motor tomorrow. Maybe I might be able to fix it tomorrow morning and then still be able to service it. I highly doubt it though. I found one on Marketplace for 50 bucks. I don't know how much I trust used starter motors, but I don't know if it's close to me. I'll go out and pick it up and chuck it in the car, see how that goes. It just sucks. I really wanted to annoy Sarah and make her take me to Taco Bell in it just tomorrow, but we'll see. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow, we'll see if we can get a new starter. If not, we're just gonna do some birthday things, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.